This one is more like blondie, has some blondie, it has brown, and it has black right here.
Yeah, the fact that it got some blondie here over there makes it a bit different and
Yes.
more like good, more cooling effect, like brings
Yeah.
more cooling effect and stuff.
Yeah,
on
because
it.
actually Novo, they're actually like all of the ways they do, they're thinking about fashion, about change of like they can change the color, something like that. They actually thinking about every type of girl, you know, because not everybody likes like dark colors or bright colors, so
Yeah.
we give different options for everyone.
I think this one is good. This one might be suitable, but for girls who are not really confident and stuff, this might also okay.
Yeah.
Both
Yes.
is okay if you want. Like depends on your personality and stuff.
Mhm.
I think both are okay for different types of people, and I just like them that whole.
Oh.
It's good.
So if you have to buy one of the wigs, okay, are you going to buy this one? Yes or no?
For a girlfriend?
Like,
No, me.
like
I'll
a
buy this
person.
one. Obviously, I'll buy this one. That's my opinion,
Oh
my
God.
honest opinion. So I don't know, guys.
Are you being real right
Yeah,
now?
I'm real. Like
I
literally.
want the truth, like 100%.
I'll buy this one.
Really?
Yeah, I'll buy this one and the pair that you mentioned before. I like
And
it also.
oh yes, actually the price is pretty good, so you should buy it. You should
This
buy it
one,
for your
you should buy
girlfriend.
this one. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.